Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I am one of those unlucky person in India who tested positive for COVID-19. Today in this video I am going to share my experience recovering from COVID-19. We know that 70 to 80% of COVID-19 symptoms are mild and can be managed at home by proper care, symptomatic control and medication. If you have any COVID-19 symptoms like fever, cold, body pain, breathing issues, loss of taste and smell, then please visit the doctor or else go to any center where COVID-19 tests are being conducted. And if your tests are positive, then please support the doctors and administration and do what they say. And most important thing is that please do not panic. Now I am going to share some tips that medical professional advise me for my speedy recovery. First of all, take proper rest, but maintain a level of activity like work in your room. During COVID-19 infection, the organ which affect the most is our lungs. We can keep our lungs in good condition during this time by doing some exercise with the help of balloon or spirometer. Blow into the balloons for good 3 breaths and hold it for some times. Then take out or exhale the breath very slowly. It will keep your lungs in good shape and function. I had lost my taste and smell for 8 to 10 days. I had breathing issues for 1 day. I visited the government hospital immediately and consulted a doctor and they conducted my test. My report came positive in the next day, and since my symptoms are mild, so doctor advised me to go for home quarantine for a period of 10 days. During COVID-19 infection, your throat may feel scratchy, irritated and sometimes even pain. To improve the pain and irritation, it is very important to gargle 2 to 3 times per day after meal. Another important thing is diet. Diet should be easy to digest but should have all the required nutrients. Have 3 to 4 liters of liquids. You can have warm water, milk, juice, tea, coffee, etc. In the diet, fruits which are rich in vitamin C is very helpful for your speedy recovery. We have already accepted that corona is here to stay. It is not going anywhere. So boost immune system, have protein rich food, do yoga or breathing exercises. During COVID-19 infection, the organ which affect most is our lungs. So medical professional advise to lying down on our stomach or tummy. It will help open up our lungs in the back of the chest where the most part of our lungs is lying. During home isolation, I daily used to monitor my body temperature and oxygen level 2 to 3 times a day. For this, you need 2 equipments. One is pulse oximeter and the other one is thermometer. Please keep a record of your symptoms and temperature and oxygen saturation daily. It will help the doctors and the medical staff who is looking after you to take the right decision. For COVID-19 recovery, the most important point is do not panic, stay very positive, stay away from negativity, do not watch too much negative news on TV, and please do not panic over fake news.